Hi friends, we're going to work on lesson 9.3 right now. Identify and name squares. Our essential question is, how can you identify and name squares? We're going to be drawing in each of these columns. So for squares, we'll put things that are squares here, not squares in this column. So let's think of 3 things that are squares. Plates can be squares. I actually have square plates at my house. So let's make a square and we'll make decoration, because I like to have fancy plates. And we'll put a plate here. That can be a square. What else? Oh, how about a window? A window can be a square. Make a little window there, and write window. And oh, how about like a little cracker, a little saltine cracker or a graham cracker. Put little dots on there for the salt or the sugar, and we'll write cracker. Very nice. Things that aren't squares, well, again, it can be just about anything. How about a yield sign? We saw that in the last lesson, and that is a triangle. And something else that could be not a square. Oh my goodness, so many things. Well, a flower is not a square, so I'm going to make a flower. And oh, how about an apple? An apple is not a square. Great job. Let's turn the page. Here we're going to mark an X on all of the squares. So let's look and mark an X on the squares. I see a big yellow square here. I'll put an X there. Triangle. Now it's turned on its side, but it still has 4 equal sides. So that is a square. It might look like a diamond, but it's actually a square. Here we have 4 sides, but they're not all equal, so that's not a square. That's a triangle. We got a hexagon. Oh, another shape like that one. That is a square. Remember, squares have 4 equal sides. Oh, not a square. It has 4 sides, but they're not equal. This one's a rectangle. Another hexagon. Oh, there's a square. We have a triangle and another triangle and a rectangle. Wonderful. You should have marked over 4 squares. Let's go to the next page. On this one, we're going to color the squares. So we're looking for shapes with 4 equal sides. So those are all circles, but in here I see some squares. And you can color these whatever colors you want. Let me see some more here. And you should have colored over 10 squares on this picture. Very nice. Let's turn the page. And I see Scout up in the corner. It says Dennis drew these shapes. Which shapes are squares? Mark an X on all of those shapes. So remember, 4 equal sides is a square. So that one does not have 4 equal sides. Oh, this one does. I'll put an X on that. We've got a triangle. 2 and 2. So that's a rectangle. And this one also has 4 equal sides. So we've got another square here. And then we can show what we know about squares. We know that squares have 4 equal sides, so let's draw a square right here as best we can, and we're going to write the word square. there. Very nice. Great job.